In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a notebook in OneNote. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, we'll close the notebook inside OneNote so it's not actively in use. Next, we'll head to your Microsoft Cloud storage, which is where OneNote keeps the actual notebook files. Finally, we'll find the exact notebook in your folders so you can manage it confidently. Start by opening the OneNote app on your computer. In the list of notebooks, locate the one you no longer need. Right-click its name and choose Close this notebook, or in some versions, Remove from list. This step only removes the notebook from your current view and stops it from syncing in the background. It does not erase any content. Think of it as taking a book off your desk. It's still on the shelf, just not open on your workspace. Closing it first helps avoid conflicts and makes sure the file isn't locked by the app. Now move to your web browser and sign into your Microsoft account for OneDrive, or, if it's a work or school notebook tied to a team site, your SharePoint environment. OneNote notebooks are stored in the cloud, so that's where you manage them. Make sure you use the same account the notebook belongs to. If it's a shared or organizational notebook, confirm you have the right permissions before proceeding, and consider letting collaborators know to prevent surprises. Once you're signed in, navigate to your files. Most personal notebooks live in the Documents folder, while some setups use a Notebooks folder. In work or school contexts, you might find them under your OneDrive for business documents, or within a specific SharePoint site's document library under Shared Libraries. Look for the notebook by its name. In OneDrive on the web, notebooks often display with a OneNote icon, and the notebook may appear as a special folder containing its sections. If you're unsure you've found the correct one, open it from the browser to verify the contents before you take any action. If the notebook doesn't appear where you expect, use the search box at the top of OneDrive or SharePoint and type the notebook's name. Also check any shared locations or team sites where it might reside. Once you've located it, you're in the right place to manage it according to your needs and your organization's retention rules. Remember, removing a notebook from your OneNote app doesn't delete it. The real file lives here in the cloud. When you're certain you've identified the correct notebook and confirmed any backup or retention requirements, you're ready to proceed within your cloud storage.